In this video, I will show you how to use the one-click blog post to generate unique content for your websites. This is an AI cloud-based application and a WordPress plugin that will turn YouTube videos into articles. But before that, let me show you the bonus you will get when you decide to grab this plugin from the link below this video. What's up friends, Amar here, and before I show you the bonus, let me give you a sneak peek about what you can do with this special plugin. As you can see, this is a blog post I just published, how to create a free website with free domain and hosting. As you can see, it has a special image, it has a title, a video, and this whole unique article. As you can see here, this article is exactly what this video is about. And all I had to do to get this blog post is search on YouTube how to create a free website, and then I choose this video here. So all I had to do is copy the link of this video here to get the article here, and in the back end here is exactly the same article we are talking about. So I'm going to get back here and show you how to create another blog post with another video. But before that, let me show you the bonus you will get completely for free when you decide to grab this plugin from the link below this video. You will get this PLR mega pack with more than 300 premium products with 100% unrestricted PLR rights. You can do whatever you want to do with these products here. Check, for example, the module. These are the methods that you can use to rebrand and profit from the PLR products you will be getting for free. For example, module number 1, 27 products, high quality and professionally written ebooks. They all come with PDF document, Microsoft source document, and multiple sizes 3D e-covers, also the PSD. So if we go to the second module, is 250 products. All of them are with unrestricted PLR rights. So this is a huge pack that you will get completely for free when you grab the plugin from the link below. You will find a link to this bonus here to download all these content when you get the plugin. So here I am on my WordPress dashboard, and I want to create and publish a new blog post using the one-click blog post plugin. So I want to choose a category, affiliate marketing for example. Then I'm going to use the search I did before to find the video. Earlier I used this one, now I'm going to use this video here, and as you can see, this is a 33-minute video. The article will be, I guess, long, very long. So let's open the video, and I will stop the player, and then I will grab the link to this video. So as you can see, there is the video, the thumbnail, and everything this guy is saying about building a website. Let's go back to my WordPress dashboard, and I want, actually, when you install the plugin, the one-click blog post plugin, you will see this panel here underneath the editor. So what you need to do is paste the YouTube URL for the video you want to publish here, and then you can click this one here to insert the video inside the blog post at the beginning, or you can also add the time code, which is not a very good option, but you can also set video image as a featured image for the blog post. So I'm going to click this one, and then I want to click insert content. I will let the plugin work a little bit. It will take a few seconds before populating all the information about this blog post. Now it took around 40 seconds because the video was very long, and as you can see, all this is unique content that will help your blog rank on Google. So you have some work to do. Of course, you have to go through and then do SEO customizations on the blog post, on-page SEO and off-page SEO. But here is what the plugin did. It came with the title of the video, the video itself, and all the speech that was said on the video was turned on an article. Now let's just go ahead and publish the post and see how we can see it from the outside of the blog. Alright, the post now is published. Let's go ahead and open the website. Right click and then open it. Now I will see the home page of the website, as you can see, and if I click on the blog section here, you will see that there is a new blog post that has been added. It is this one here, and if I click on it, I will see the content of the blog post, which I just showed you on the back end. So this is the featured image of the blog post, this is the title, this is the video itself, and all this is unique content that will help a lot ranking on Google. So I think this is a great idea and a great tool to have some unique content to start with. Of course, you will have to do some customization and optimization for the search engines, but at least you have a big amount of unique content that you can start with. And that's exactly what we wanted to do, because it's not easy to come up with fresh, unique content. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you will grab the plugin from the link below, and I will see you on my next video.